best interactive smartboards. As classrooms, offices, and home learning spaces evolve, the demand for the best interactive smartboards continues to soar. Users now look for models that combine durability, display clarity, responsive touch technology, and versatile connectivity. This guide evaluates smartboards based on screen size, build quality, interactive features, software ecosystem, and value for money. Whether you need a board for teaching, presenting, or collaborative brainstorming, these top picks deliver performance and reliability.
Product number 1. CoolHood 65-inch Smartboard. The CoolHood 65-inch Smartboard is a standout option for classrooms and office meeting rooms looking for a seamless, all-in-one collaboration tool. Featuring a bright 4K UHD display, it delivers crisp visuals ideal for detailed diagrams, presentations, or virtual lessons. The multi-touch capability performs smoothly, allowing several users to write or draw simultaneously without lag. Its integrated Android system provides access to a built-in app store, making it easy to download teaching and productivity apps. The board includes wireless screen mirroring, enabling laptops, tablets, and smartphones to connect without extra accessories. Its sturdy frame and stable wall mount design add long-term durability, great for heavy daily use. With dual speakers and solid audio clarity, it supports video lessons, conferences, and multimedia content effectively. Overall, the CoolHood 65-inch Smartboard offers excellent value for educational institutions and businesses seeking an intuitive, feature-rich interactive display.
Product number 2. BigView 65-inch Interactive Smartboard. The BigView 65-inch Interactive Smartboard is engineered for professional-grade presentations and classroom engagement. Its vibrant 4K display ensures sharp image quality, while the anti-glare glass enhances visibility under bright lighting, an essential feature for open classrooms or meeting spaces. With 20-point multi-touch support, group collaboration feels effortless, whether annotating documents or brainstorming ideas. This model integrates advanced wireless connectivity, allowing cross-platform casting and seamless device integration. Teachers and presenters will appreciate its built-in whiteboard software, which offers customizable templates, handwriting recognition, and cloud-saving options. The board's metal frame and reinforced corners enhance durability, making it suitable for busy environments. BigView also includes multiple HDMI and USB ports, expanding compatibility with laptops, cameras, and peripherals. With strong performance, robust construction, and feature-rich functionality, the BigView 65-inch Smartboard is a reliable solution for those needing a professional, high-impact interactive display.
Product number 3. KMevo 55-inch Interactive Smartboard. Compact yet powerful, the KMevo 55-inch Interactive Smartboard is ideal for smaller classrooms, tutoring spaces, and home offices. Despite its smaller size, it offers a high-resolution 4K display that ensures crisp images and readable text. Its highly responsive touch interface supports multi-user inputs, making lessons and presentations engaging and interactive. The KMevo board runs on a smooth Android operating system and provides instant app access, screen sharing, and built-in tools like digital pens and annotation features. Its compact design makes it easier to install in tight spaces, while maintaining a premium feel with its sturdy frame and scratch-resistant glass. Connectivity options include USB, HDMI, and stable wireless mirroring, supporting a variety of devices for flexible teaching and presenting. For users who need an affordable, space-efficient smartboard without compromising on interactivity and clarity, the KMevo 55-inch Smartboard delivers excellent value.
Product number 4. GoCube App-Enabled Balance Board. Although different from traditional smartboards, the GoCube App-Enabled Balance Board earns a place on this list for its unique interactive learning approach. Designed primarily for physical activity and skill-based gaming, it pairs with a companion app to provide motion-based educational and fitness experiences.
Users can play balance games, improve coordination, and participate in interactive training modes. Made with durable materials and a non-slip surface, the board ensures long-term use and safety during active sessions. Its app interface tracks progress, offers customized challenges, and includes engaging visuals that make it suitable for children, students, and home fitness routines. While not a writing or presentation board, it introduces a fun, dynamic twist to interactive learning environments, perfect for classrooms, therapy centers, and family gaming areas. For anyone seeking a physical engagement-based smart device, the GoCube Balance Board delivers entertainment, education, and fitness in one innovative product.
Product number 5. Kynone Interactive Smartboard. The Kynone Interactive Smartboard combines advanced technology with a user-friendly design, making it suitable for schools, training centers, and corporate settings. Its high-definition touchscreen provides smooth and accurate writing input, while its sturdy frame ensures long-lasting performance. Equipped with fast wireless casting, it supports real-time collaboration from laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The Kynone board includes built-in annotation tools, interactive teaching features, and screen recording options, ideal for remote learning or hybrid classrooms. Its intuitive interface allows even first-time users to navigate effortlessly. Multiple input ports support external devices like document cameras, sound systems, and computers, enhancing overall versatility. With excellent software compatibility and dependable build quality, the Kynone Smartboard is a strong contender for anyone seeking a robust, mid-range interactive display. Its blend of affordability and premium features makes it a compelling option for both educators and professionals.